So over the next year, we will be renovating the outdoor social spaces, as well as renovating our secondary canteen based on the needs of our students. Well, as the BVIS community grows, so must our campus, and these projects reflect a long-term vision to evolve alongside our students and our families. Students will enjoy a cooler, fresher and more hygienic environment. Whether they're playing with their friends, eating or socialising, our families can feel rest assured that our children are being cared for in every aspect of their lives.
Next year we're looking for some major upgrades to our current facilities. We're going to be upgrading the air conditioning units in the primary sports hall, upgrading the Astro for the secondary football pitch. As the environment becomes more unpredictable, hotter, more humid, these improvements and upgrades will provide more opportunities for active play outside and inside, making students more comfortable and providing higher quality environments for them to thrive.
Unlike many schools, BVIS Hanoi prioritizes holistic well-being through infrastructure. These upgrades reflect a deep ongoing investment in both the learning environment and our students' emotional health. This forward-thinking approach ensures that students always have access to world-class facilities.
So why don't you come down to BVIS and see these upgrades that will enhance your child's experience?
Please come and see these new developments for yourself next year.